Hello and welcome. My name is Kim Carlton. I'm an academic officer with Teacher Created Materials. I have over 20 years in education as a teacher, an instructional coach, and as the Director of Language Arts. I'm here to talk to you today about one of our favorite resources, the TCM Take-Home Backpack. Let's take a minute to look at what's inside. First, inside the backpacks, you'll notice a copy of Kids Learn. Kids Learn is designed for that unique window of summertime, where we are helping our students retain the information from the grade level they just finished and help get them ready for what they will see next year. This copy is getting ready for third grade. That means it's perfect for kids that just finished their second grade year and will be entering third grade in the fall. Elsewhere in the backpack, you may have noticed 4 readers. These readers are age appropriate and cover a range of content areas, from social studies to science, even fiction. Inside the backpacks, you'll also find a copy of the Family Engagement Guide. These come chock full of strategies to help your students learn at home all summer long. Ways to encourage writing, mathematics, science, and fun as learning happens at home. Let's take a couple more minutes to dive in just a little bit further to that Kids Learn resource. For our parents and caregivers needing language support, you'll notice in the front cover 4 QR codes. These will take parents and caregivers to targeted pages to help them with instructions in Spanish, in Arabic, in Haitian Creole, and in Mandarin. Inside the Kids Learn, you'll notice wonderful ideas for parents here in the front, including family science experiments, tips for social and emotional development, and fun games and books to read together. Kids Learn is designed with 9 weeks of activities for your child at home. And please know, you shouldn't do an activity all day, every day. This is quick learning, things that you can do to give a little structure to your school day. The activities include ideas for writing, ideas for critical thinking. You'll see fun games like guessing the number. You'll also see activity cards that students can cut out and play games all summer long. Each week includes materials for reading, math, writing, and critical thinking. And don't worry, parents, if you're not so sure about the answers, there's an answer key for you in the back. The back of the material also includes pages for writing, so students can get creative, like this one right here, which is one of my favorites, where students will write a postcard to somebody that they know. The Kids Learn resource is designed to provide a little bit of academic structure throughout those summer days. Designed by week, the activities provide just enough practice in reading and math to help your students get ready for the next grade level. Let's take a closer look at some of the readers that you might find in your backpack and how you can use those with your child at home. When you take a look at the readers, you're going to notice engaging pictures, captions, even bolded words. Wonderful things for you to be able to talk about and wonder. Ask your students to make predictions. What do they think that the book might be about? You might ask your students, where have they heard this before? These readers cover a range of content areas, so there's something for everybody. Many of the readers also include a helpful glossary for any terms that may be new. And in addition, many of the readers also include additional activities, like the science reader that you see here. You see a built-in science lab that parents and children can work on together. Let's take a look at the last resource, the Family Engagement Guide. This 8-page guide provides tips and ideas for caregivers to extend learning all summer long. You'll see ideas like wordplay, including teaching your kids Pig Latin. You'll see ideas for things that kids can read, spelling strategies, even fun games that you can play at home. Things like how to build math into when you're making dinner, and ways to do at-home science experiments. And for our parents who need it, you'll see a QR code to be able to find this material all in Spanish. The Family Engagement Guide is a quick way for parents and caregivers to extend their child's learning and make it fun all summer long. Thanks for joining us as we take a quick look at what's inside the TCM Take-Home Backpack.